Omni Aircraft Sales is proud to bring this King Air 350 to market. It is based out of Huntsville, Alabama, and is operated under Part 91 regulation. This aircraft is loaded with features both inside and out. It is equipped with a Garmin G1000 NXI avionics and satellite XM radio. In 2019, both engines went under conversion to the Blackhawk XP67A with the MT5 blade propellers. Both engines are enrolled on ESP Gold. The aircraft underwent Phase 1 through 4 inspections in June of 2023. New de-ice boots were installed in June of 2021. The aircraft has raised-back nacelle wing lockers and aft body strakes. It is configured with 8 cabin seats, an aft belted lavatory, and 2 removable jump seats. With the 2019 interior refurbishment, it has beige soft goods, glossy Pacific cherry woodwork, and an earth tones carpet with a modern contemporary pattern. USB ports can be found at each seat location and 115-volt outlets throughout the cabin. The lighting is fantastic with the upgrade to the PWI Be Brilliant overhead wash lights. If you're in the market for a reliable King Air 350 with a stunning interior, this aircraft is for you. Call the experts at Omni Aircraft Sales, and we look forward to talking to you soon.